Okay, so I'm going to tell you where I'm at on all this. Basically, my goal is to get a contract equipped substrate-based node up and running like it was before, and try to get it working. And then once that's working, then we can experiment with Solang, and Solidity, and see if we can get a contract compiled for there. So anyway, what I've been doing is doing some experimenting. I put on a polka dot node. I got that running. That apparently doesn't have contracts, the pure polka dot. I tried updating the node that I had been using, and what I did is kind of a simple, trying to make sure that the original base that I was using was in fact coming from GitHub. So what I did is I went in GitHub. You of course have different branches, and the default one is master. So what I did is I did a pull. I got the latest master branch, so the latest code from master from their repository, and that Substrate example code. And what I did is I then merged that in, or with added in the stuff that we added in that example when it originally worked, and compiled and built it. And as you can see here, I'm still getting the same result, that this is using the regular polka dot JS. Cannot read batch of undefined. Same problem we've been having. When I run the polka dot node, and you can have two different chains running. So the other one I ran was this. Let me cancel this. This one here is listening on this port. Now, when you have a computer, you have the address, which is this. This is a local address, because we're not actually going out over the internet. And then you have a port. So it's sort of, think of it as an apartment building, and then you have different cubbyholes, different apartments. Kind of think of it like that. So this is the one that it used. This is the apartment number, if you will, that it used when I already had the polka dot chain running. And the polka dot chain is, let me save this. I'm going to copy this. I think it's 9944, I believe. Nope, it didn't like that. Let's just see what it does by default. Let's have it go to a test network for now, just to clear it out and get it connected to something. So you can see, and you notice they have different colors. So we don't want to do that. We want to go to our local node, and it's 9944, switch, and this is the actual polka dot chain I have running. But if you notice here, there is no contract option, which kind of surprised me. But what you could do, let me see if I can do this. Nope, it doesn't have that as a That's very interesting. So let's see. I wonder what would happen if I did a set code here. Okay, no such variant any, so it didn't like that. It's certainly, my guess is it's not going to like contract either. Yeah. So, as you can see, this is going to be this pure, there may be another way, or maybe, I'm pretty sure it should have smart contracts kind of built in, but maybe that's a little bit, maybe it's done slightly differently. At any rate, we're still trying to figure out how to get a contract back on here so that we can do the Solidity example, and we're going to just keep looking at this and seeing what we can do, seeing if we can get this this actually working, because this is change state. So this is timestamp, substrate, changes, intrinsics. So anyway, there's a lot more to learn about this. So just a little update here, and I will speak to you next time. If you found this useful, finding this series useful, then please give a like and subscribe if you want to see more, and ring the bell to get notified. Thank you and take care.